Hello guys, welcome to the end of the series of algebra. So in this video I'm gonna solve equation. So I will try to explain the basic concept how you can solve equation. Then we're gonna try some exam question as well. Let's start. Okay, before start the question I'm gonna give you um, some examples. So you could have four chance when you're gonna solve the equation. You could have, you can say, is 4x is equal to 8. You could have this one, you could have x over 4 is equal to 8, and you could have x plus 4 is equal to 8, and you could have x minus 4 is equal to 8. Okay, you're gonna get these four chance when you solving basic equation. So you need to check the connection means you could have, is going to be four connection. You could have a plus, minus, times, and divide. So four connection, this is very important. Okay, so do you see any connection here? So we don't have a plus here, we don't have a minus, times, divide. So we have a times. If there's nothing here, it means there's a times between 4 and x. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the opposite. What is the opposite of time? Divide. So means to find x, we're gonna divide 4 both side. So I'm gonna divide 4 here, and I'm gonna divide 4 here as well. So this is going to be cancelled. So x is going to be 2. Easy peasy, guys. Makes sense? Yeah. Okay. So what's the connection here? Is a plus. So what is the opposite of plus? Minus. We're gonna do minus 4 over here. We're gonna do minus 4 over here. This is gonna be cancelled. So x is going to be 4. That's the answer. Here, first we need to check the connection. Is a plus, minus, no times. So this is divide, isn't it? So what is the opposite of divide? Times. So we're gonna times 4 over here, must times 4 on the other side. So this is going to be cancelled. So x is going to be 4 times 8 is going to be 32. Now what is the connection here? Minus. So what is the opposite of minus? Plus 4. So I'm gonna add plus 4 over here, plus 4 over here. So this is going to be cancelled. So x is going to be 12. So these are the four cases you're gonna face when you're gonna solve the question. Let's try some exam question and example as well. Okay, here. So first you can see the connection is times. So what's the opposite of times? So divide. So just divide by 2 over here. So divide by 2 over here. So y is equal to 4. Easy peasy, guys. Makes sense? Okay, in the next part, so this is minus 4. What is the opposite of minus 4? Is add. So we're gonna add 4 over here, we're gonna add 4 over here. So t is going to be 11, and that's our answer. Okay, in this part, can you see the connection? Yeah, so here is divide. So what's the opposite of divide? Is times. So I'm gonna times 4 over here, I'm gonna times 4 over here. So this is going to be cancel out. So x is going to be 12. Easy peasy. Let's try some more. So here is, please pause the video if you want to do with me. So y is equal to, we just times both sides, isn't it? So this is going to be 18. I'm going to do quickly. Just move to the next question. Okay, in these questions we have a 7 with y, which is mean this is times. What is the opposite of times? Is divide. So we're going to divide 7 over here, divide 7 over here. So y is equal to 54 not comes in 7 times table, so you can leave the answer as it is. Or you can divide by 7 if this is calculator paper. If this is on calculator, you can leave as it is. Okay, next question. So we have now this is a little bit different now. So this is called a two-step method. So here this is 2 and 5. We need to cancel this 2 and 5 to find t. So first what we're gonna do, this is minus 5, we do opposite. So we're gonna add 5 over here, we're gonna add 5 over here. So 2t is going to be 14. Now we got the same situation now, so this is times 2 with t. So what's the opposite of time? We're going to divide 2 over here, we're going to divide 2 over here, so t is going to be 7, and this is our answer. We're going to try some more question. This one I'm just going to write the answer, guys, straight away, because this is times, so we're going to divide it. So w is equal to 20 divided by 4, 5 by 4 is going to be 5, easy peasy. So this is minus, so what is the opposite of minus? We're going to add 6 here, we're going to add 6 here, so x is going to be 9, simple. Okay, in this question we have again two-step method. So first we're gonna cancel 5, then 2. So to cancel 5, this is divide, we're gonna do opposite, which is times. So I'm gonna times 5 over here, I'm gonna times 5 over here as well. So this is going to be cancel out. So what we got over here, we got 2y over here, and we got 20 over here. Now again, so to cancel 2, so this is times with y, so we're gonna divide it. So I'm gonna divide by 2, I'm gonna divide by 2, so y is equal to 10. Simple, guys. Okay, next questions. So please pause the video and solve the question, and I'm just gonna write the answer. So hope so you got the answer. Yeah, so we're gonna divide by 40, so 40 divided by 5 is going to be 8. So here we need to take away 6 from here, 6 from here, so we got 4m. 15 take away 6 is going to be 9, so m is going to be 9 over 4. We're going to divide it, isn't it? So for these questions, we're going to add 6 first, and add 6, and this is going to be 5w. This is going to be cancelled out, it's going to be 16. So w is equal to 16 over 5. Makes sense? Okay, we got difference. This is a different question, so this is easy as well. So this x, 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 this makes 3x, and this is going to be 15. So what we're gonna do, guys? So we're gonna divide, isn't it? So we're gonna divide 3 over here, we're gonna divide 3 over here. So x is going to be 5, easy peasy. And you can do this question by yourself. I'm not gonna do this question. Okay, now we got different type of question again, but this is solving equation. So there's a two way to do this question. I'm going to solve both ways, up to you guys. So first method is you just divide by 5 here, divide by 5, because this is times. So we got t minus 3 here because 5 is going to be cancelled. So 25 divided by 5 is going to be 5. Now we got the same method, so we're going to add 3 over here, we're going to add 3 over here, so t is going to be 8. So this is the first method. The second one is, I'm going to write the question here, 5 bracket t minus 3 is equal to 25. So you just expand the bracket. This is going to be 5t and minus 15. I just times 5 with t and 5 with 3 is equal to 25. Then this is two-step method again. So I'm going to add 15 over here, I'm going to add 15 over here, so we got 5t over here, so this become 40. So we're going to divide by 5. T is equal to 40 divided by 5, so t is going to be 8. So you get the same answer. So it's up to you guys. So for this one, please pause the video, and I'm gonna give you the answer then. Hope so you got the answer. So I'm gonna divide by 4. I like this method, easy, simple, straight away. So we got 5y minus 2, and this is going to be 12. And now I'm gonna add 2 over here, I'm gonna add 2 over here, so I got 5y, and this become 14. So I'm gonna divide by 5 both side, divide by 5 both side, so y is equal to 14 over 5. You can leave your answer as it is. This is the answer. Okay, we got different type of solving equation now. So we got the x on the both side. So how are you gonna do this one? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna bring x on one side, then the number on the other side. It should be look like this. I'm gonna give you an example, like a 4x plus 2x is equal to 9 minus 4. Look, you can see x on one side and number on one side. So this is the equation. So when you're gonna bring the number or letter on the other side, the sign is gonna be changed. So this is 13x is gonna be stay here. I'm bringing 11x on the other side, so this is plus here, so this is going to be become negative 11x equal sign. 9 is going to be stay over here, so I'm going to bring a 1 on the other side, so this is plus, this become minus 1. Just switch the numbers. So when you switch the number from equation sign, then their sign is going to be changed. Now just solve it. 13x minus 11x is going to be 2x, and 9 take 1 is going to be 8. So we can divide by 2 over here, divide by 2 over here. So x is equal to 4. Easy peasy, not hard. Okay, to solve this question, please pause the video, then we can solve together. Okay, hope so you got the answer. So again, so 5t, I'm gonna bring 3t here, so this is plus here, this become minus 3t equal sign 6, then plus minus 4, this become plus 4. So 5t take away 3t is going to be 2t, 6 plus 4 is going to be 10, so I'm going to divide by 2 here, divide by 2 here, so t is going to be 5. Easy. Okay guys, I'm going to do the last question, then I'm going to finish this video. Okay, so we're gonna again, so 3y is gonna be stay over here, so 3y, then plus 5y become minus 5y, then this 3 and this plus 10 is gonna be minus 10. So 3y minus 5y, did you get the answer? It's gonna be minus 2y, and this is going to be minus 7. Now I'm gonna divide by minus 2 both side, so minus 2 over here, minus 2 over here, so y is going to be, so minus is going to be cancelled with the minus, so this become plus, so we got 7 over 2, so you can leave as it is. Okay guys, hope so you understand. If you need more help, so please send a message to me, then I will explain more question as well. So if you like my video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more video. Thanks.